Before feminism could become a pedestal to raise women's voice, it was seen as an umbrella to cover and justify misconduct of women. Before it could get all women on board, it was seen as a cliche concept. And before it could become an Indian concept, it became an urban concept. And unfortunately, it was not respected there as well. Greetings of the day. Feminism as a concept is a belief in social, economic, and political equality of all sexes. In India, it focuses mainly on interest and rights of females, but in some part of the world, it also includes LGBTQIAs. I do agree that we have come a long way, but multiple times of it is required to go ahead. Getting voting rights, improvement in literacy rate, education, and healthcare sectors, decline in child marriages is of course all worth appreciation, but we cannot forget the fact that two-thirds of the agricultural laborers are women, but they still feel unsafe at farms. 70% of the frontline healthcare workers are again women, but they are paid 28% less than men. Ever increasing cases of dowry deaths, harassments, rapes, and hop panchayats all paints a very blurred picture of feminism in rural India. Our film industry, which have a very huge influence on our society, is itself so much engraved in patriarchal setup that on one hand they promote and produce biopics depicting women empowerment, but on the other hand they pay women employees less than men. Our B grade and C grade entertainment like Bhojpuri industry are so much deep rooted and based in rural India. And it is nothing but just a filthy game of objectifying women for a male gaze. It is 21st century and the third wave of feminism in India. But still, real equal status is a far-fetched goal. Women do have a right to vote, but husbands and parents decide who to vote for. Women do earn a living, but where to spend that money is of course a family decision. Until and unless there is free decision making, there is no point in meaning of feminism or women empowerment. COVID-19, as usual, as any other crisis, has hit women's harder. 1,477 cases of domestic violence were reported in just first 2 months of lockdown. Inequalities are so much deep-rooted in India that the recent Oxfam study was titled The Inequality Virus. 15% of the women lost jobs just compared to just 1% of men. And 83% of the women faced pay cuts. Women, especially from rural India, have been working since always. But they have been employed in lower strata, less paid, and disrespected. At the end, I will just say that cinemas need to stop depicting women, stop depicting bold women as a misbehaved child with cigarettes in bars. We need to understand that feminism is a concept, is a fight against patriarchy, not a fight against men. So next time when you tell your kid to not cry like a girl, please tell him, cry like a human, express like a human, and understand like a human. Thank you.